I'm right here.
Come on.
I'm right here.
Come on.
I'm right here.
How did this little bitch?
I'm right here.
Oh no, I'm up here.
Come on.
You're too much of a bitch to walk up.
Come on to public property. Come on.
Hey, how's your fucking Nazism feel, huh?
I'm right here.
How's rubbed down yet, you little fucking cunt?
I'm right here.
Come on. I'm right here, bitch.
Come on, Kyle.
Get out of your little bitch mobile and walk up here.
Come on, Kyle.
Come on.
Come on down, Kyle.
Oh, what? You want me to come down there?
Yeah.
Get out of you down there?
Yeah, I'm right here.
Why would I do that?
Come on, Kyle. Come on, Kyle.
Come on,
Kyle.
come on,
Come on, buddy.
fucking do something.
Kyle. Ooh.
You got a fucking tiny ass dick and everybody fucking knows.
Yeah. Come on, Kyle.
Kyle,
Come on.
Kyle,
You.
you little boy toy?
Come on, Kyle.
Fucking wanker.
Come on, put your money where your mouth is, Kyle.
I am
I'm right here.
right here.
I'm right here, buddy.
Walk your ass up here.
I'm right here.
Walk your bitch ass up here.
I'm right here. Looks like you could use a little walk.
Bitch ass, tiny dick, losing fucking cunt up here.
Come on, big belly.
Come on.
Come on, big belly.
Hey, you know what? Yeah, your mom fucking feeds me every time I fucking give her an orgasm.
All right, come on, big belly.
You followed me home. Finish it.
Yeah, now I know who you are.
You followed me home. Fucking finish it, you coward.
Everybody knows who you are, Kyle. Woo! Come on, Kyle. Hey, you finish it. You finish it.
Do it.
You finish it.
Do it.
Come on, Kyle. I'm right here.
Fucking coward. Follow me all the fucking way home.
Yep.
And then you fucking chicken out down there.
Hater.
Come on.
You're a hater.
You were so eager to fucking follow me.
Hey, I know who you are now. And I know where you live. I'm right here. Oh, that's why you want me to come up there. Come on, Kyle.
I got nothing on me.
I'm right here.
Come on. Do it or run away like the bitch you are.
You ran away.
Do it or run away like the bitch you are.
Oh, I know who you are. This is going on YouTube.
What are you, 3?
This is going on YouTube.
Come on.
This goes on YouTube, Kyle. Everybody knows. Everybody knows who you are, you hater. Jealous hater. Jealous hater because of what I drive. That's what kind of person you are. And everybody knows it. Everybody knows it. Because of what I drive. That's what kind of man you are. You're a Kyle. You're a Kyle. And I know who you are and I know where you live, and so does everybody else. You're a winner. You're a winner, big belly. All right, big belly.